Today on The Blind Pig, we're going to make the Oaxaca Old Fashioned. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to The Blind Pig. As always, I'm your host, Jason. The Oaxaca Old Fashioned, named after the Mexican state known for producing most mezcals, offers a creative twist on the traditional whiskey Old Fashioned. This rendition combines Reposado Tequila, lightly aged in oak to evoke some of the classic Old Fashioned oaky notes, with Mezcal, along with Angostura bitters and Agave nectar. The Mezcal trend in the United States gained momentum with the introduction of the Oaxaca Old Fashioned, originating in 2007 at the renowned Death & Company bar in East Village, New York. Bartender Phil Ward crafted this cocktail. The Oaxaca Old Fashioned played a pivotal role in familiarizing drinkers with mezcal, which was relatively unknown to most consumers at the time. This drink only uses a half ounce of mezcal while using a full 1.5 ounces of tequila, which can help to acclimate newcomers to the smokiness of mezcal. Today, cocktails featuring mezcal are much more common to find on bar menus, with many bars offering a wide selection of options. The Oaxaca Old Fashioned played a large part in kicking off the trend, and over 15 years after its creation, we feel it more than still holds up. Since the tequila is taking a front seat in this drink, you want to use a better bottle if you have access to one. We have a great one here with our El Tesoro Reposado. The mezcal they used in the original recipe was the Del Maguey Mezcal San Luis del Rio, which we would prefer to use, but unfortunately our local selections here in Pennsylvania are rather lacking. We're going to use this bottle of Monte Alban. It isn't the best mezcal out there for sure, but it is what we have available to us. And honestly, the flavor profiles and the small amount that goes into this drink, I think this will work perfectly for the drink still. We're gonna create this drink directly in our glass. We already have a large rock waiting for us. We'll start off with 1.5 ounces of our El Tesoro. If you've never tried this tequila before and you can get your hands on it, it is absolutely fantastic. 100% blue agave, additive free. This is the Reposado version, which just means it's aged. Then we got 1/2 ounce of our mezcal. Again, this is a great introduction for somebody that maybe is a bourbon drinker, likes tequila, but loves old fashions and wants to kind of step into mezcals. This drink is a great way to do it since it's such a light pour with 1/2 ounce. We use a bar spoon of agave syrup. This will be our sweetener for the drink. And then 2 dashes of our Angostura bitters. Remember, always shake your bitters. We'll go ahead and stir that up. Chill the drink. And for our garnish, we're going to flame an orange peel. And for our garnish, we'll use a flamed orange peel. And cheers. The aromas of this are fantastic. The orange, the smokiness. What a drink, guys. Seriously, if you've never tried this one before, and I'm going to be honest, this is the first time I ever had this. I usually make them off camera ahead of time, or at least I've tried it in a bar somewhere. I've never had this drink before. I've had mezcal, I've had a ton of tequila, many an old fashioned. I've actually never had the Oaxaca Old Fashioned before. I freaking love this drink. Check this one out for sure if you have access to it. Make it at home, order at a bar somewhere, guys. I think you're going to enjoy this. So thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Cheers. Other than dropping it, it flamed well.